We're looking at making change in multiple ways, and if I had $1 and was getting rid of 23 cents, or I bought something that cost 23 cents, what would I get back in change? So over here I have my 23 cents, and I'm going to show it by counting on. Now if I do count on, I can go there's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, and then I would want to separate and put in some pennies. So it's 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So now I'm at 30 cents and I can add my dimes in there. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. So now that I'm at $1, I can count this up and figure out how much change I have. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77 cents. So now that I have 77 cents, this is just one way to make the change. So the cashier could give me back this amount, or the cashier could possibly give me back for 77 cents, 25, 50, 75, 76, 77. Now pause the video and figure out if you could make the change in another way, or see if your mom or dad have some change laying around that you could take out and make it in a different way than what I have it up above. This was making change for $1 in multiple ways.